everyone, my name is Cristina. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we are making some lemon curd horns. They will be dipped in white chocolate and have some lovely sprinkles at the end. A fairly easy recipe to make because I'm not going to make the pastry myself. I bought some pastry, so we're just gonna roll it out. Yeah, so stay tuned. Here is what we need for this, guys. Here we go, guys. So I rolled out my first sheet of pastry, as you can see. Yeah, I took it out of the fridge and I rolled it out. And I have these horn shapes. I got wooden ones. They used to be my mom's. As you can see, they're quite old now. They're quite burnt out. If you don't have wooden ones, you can make your own iron ones, or you can buy some, or you can even use cake paper like this one from the tray to do it with. So we're gonna need some horn shapes, cones, of course, a tray which I papered in advance, and I put the oven on at 180 degrees, and we're gonna need some pastry. You can use short crust pastry, puff pastry, you know, whatever is best for you, or you can make your own pastry if you have time, which is not very hard to make. We're gonna take a pizza cutter. You can use a knife as well for this, and we're gonna start cutting fairly large, you know, so fairly large stripes. Okay, 1 2 1 2, and we're going to use this one as it is. I'm gonna make 2 out of that, and then 1 2, this is the movement, 3. Yeah, try and make like triangles on your pastry. Again, here we're gonna start in the other way. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Again, here we're gonna start the other way. 1 2, oh, it's a bit, 3 4. Mistakes happen. If they do, don't worry about it, it's all good. 1 2 3 4. See what we can make out of that. Right, so what you do, I'll show you 1 or 2. Yeah, so you take your little pastry, of course, make sure you cover up the bottom. Yeah, because you need to have the bottom covered here, and then you try and make a little horn. If it's a small horn, that's fine. You can add more pastry to it and fill it out more. Probably gonna use this little half here and make it a longer one. So you can just, yeah, make sure they're all tied up here and just go a bit more on top, and it will be a bit longer. Yeah, there we go, that's 1. So don't go anywhere, and I will see you soon. See you soon. Alright guys, so here we go. I've finished with the first tray. So of course for the shine, yeah, all pastries are gonna have a bit of egg on them, just to give it a bit of shine. Stay. Yeah. So we're gonna put this in the oven for about 20 minutes. Of course, depending on your oven fan or gas or electric, you check it. when they're nice and golden, yeah, it means they're gonna come out. So this is the first batch. I'll probably have 2 or 3 out of one block of pastry. So I'll keep doing my buns in the meantime. Roll them out until they are ready, these ones. And yeah, I shall see you when we're filling them up with the lovely lemon curd at the end. Yeah, so stay tuned everyone. I see you in a bit. Yep, and I already have a first tray that came out of the oven just now. Yep, it's here. As you can see, they're not perfect in shape because of the pastry. This one I'm not gonna use. I'm just gonna probably eat it by itself. But yeah, they're not too bad, you know. And they'll be filled with lots of cream, and they'll have white chocolate on the outside. So all good, all good. Yeah. Okay guys, so what we've done, we've melted some chocolate, white chocolate, yes, on top of a pot of hot water on the fire. And now I put some lovely sprinkles on a plate, and we're gonna take the horns, dip it in white chocolate. Yeah, so all that white chocolate, and now gonna roll it over the sprinkles here, so they're gonna look like that. See, I'll show you another one. They're pretty cool, pretty cool. So we dip it in the white chocolate again, and then you can play with different colors if you want. They don't have to look the same. See, look, they look different. But yeah, they're gonna have a bit of a nice colourful border to them. See, look, different. And of course, keep going until we finish all the horns, yes? And then we're gonna fill them up. There you go. So I'll see you guys soon. Okay guys, so it's time to fill the horns up, and for this I made a lemon curd. This is one of my mum's recipes of lemon curd. I already made it. I'm not gonna show you how to make it. It's very easy. I'm just gonna tell you. It's 300 milliliters of milk, 250 grams of custard sugar, 2 egg yolks, 4 tablespoons of flour, and the zest of a lemon. They all go on the pot on the fire, and you boil them until they're quite thick, like custard consistency, maybe a bit thicker. And then you take the pot off the fire and you add a whole pack of butter, so 250 grams of butter in the actual pot, and then you stir it in and you let it cool down, and it's gonna look kind of like that. Yeah, so it's a very thick consistency of a lemon curd, so you don't want it to drip all over when you're gonna fill up the horns. Okay, so that's with the lemon curd. And now to fill up the horns. So I'm using a piping bag. Yep. You take it out. I'm gonna use a star nozzle for this time. Okie dokie. There we go. So we are making sure, yes, so you just take the horn, yeah, and pipe all that lovely cream inside, put it aside. Next one, fill it all the way up, all that cream inside. There we go. Yeah. There we go. There you go, guys. They look really, really cute. So I'm gonna finish them all up, and I'll come back to you to show you the final result. Don't go anywhere. Okay, here we go. We are all done. They look yum, yum, yum. Very colorful too. That was all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. The link will be somewhere on the video. And remember to press the bell so you can get the notifications for my weekly videos. As always, thank you so much for watching. And until next time, go break an egg, guys. See you soon. Bye bye.